Kia ora e te whānau. I'm Taimi.
I'm Jodie.
And I'm Dan.
And we will be your facilitators for the Rākau Roroa Tall Trees program. Welcome to Rākau Roroa. He mana tō mātou awhiako. Our lived experience is our strength. We're really honoured to welcome you to the Rākau Roroa online training program. We hope that you're really looking forward to this learning experience and embarking on this journey with your fellow classmates. Rākau Roroa's purpose is to create a social movement by recruiting, training and supporting people with lived experience of mental health or addiction who will confidently challenge self-stigma, discrimination and prejudice in their own communities through diverse projects and actions, big and small.
This training is made up of 4 online modules. Each module should take you around 1 hour of self-directed learning to complete. In addition, you'll participate in 6 Zoom kōrero sessions throughout the course. Each kōrero is 1 hour or around about an hour and involves a mihi whakatau or an opening to welcome you and your classmates to the online training. A kōrero after each module to discuss what was learnt and to connect with the class, and a pora aki or closing to wrap up the training. The entire training will take 12 hours to complete over 2 weeks. The online course will cover tikanga for safety and sharing lived experiences, which means the way we'll engage with each other to keep each other safe. Understanding prejudice, self-stigma and discrimination, key messages and why language matters, our rights and the law, models of well-being, navigating challenging conversations, the power of contact, and developing and using your own story.
This training may bring up challenging feelings or make you uncomfortable as it addresses mental health, discrimination, and prejudice. To support you, you will be put in a small group with a responsive buddy or buddies at the start of the training. A responsive buddy is someone else in your class that you can connect with throughout the training. These are peers who you can offer support to, and who in turn can support you should you need someone to talk to. In addition to your responsive buddy/buddies, you can view mental health support resources on our homepage, or you can private message your facilitator, one of the 3 of us, using the chat function in the course. So what happens after you graduate? Well, we will meet together as a group via Zoom at a later point after training ends to check in, see how you are after the training has finished, and to confirm you received your graduation certificate. Your certificate acknowledges that you have received training on how to use your lived experience story safely to change attitudes and behaviors around mental distress and or addiction and reduce self-stigma, discrimination and prejudice in your community.
After you complete this online course and graduate, you become a tall tree and join a forest or the group of other tall trees throughout Aotearoa. You will be asked to introduce yourself as a new tall tree on our Rākau Roroa Facebook page, and you will be able to connect with a nationwide network of tall trees and see what they're all doing to champion change in their communities.
Koe poia te kākano ki puāwai. Nurture the seed and it will grow. When you are working as a tall tree in your community, we encourage you to acknowledge that your projects and presentations might have been seeded or started by the Rākau Roroa training. Please contact us if you would like to use the Rākau Roroa logo in any of your own materials. And lastly, be really proud of being a tall tree. You have joined a social movement for positive change in Aotearoa.